This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Melissa Bierman. One or more photos has been virtually staged. Experience maintenance-free living in the gated enclave of Sabal Bay. This charming 3-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom townhome is ideally situated west of I-75 and just off University Parkway, offering a quiet, private feel with quick access to the area's best amenities. Location is one of the home's best assets. Enjoy walking distance to the market at UTC, featuring the Fresh Market, Home Depot, Staples, Starbucks, Chase, TD Bank, popular restaurants and more. By car, 10 minutes from UTC Mall premier shopping and dining. For outdoor activities, Benderson Park is in close proximity. SRQ Airport, 15 minutes, and Siesta Key beaches, 25 to 30 minutes. The home features an open floor plan, a kitchen with granite countertops and ample storage, an attached one-car garage, and a screened-in lanai for enjoying the Florida weather. Sabal Bay is a stable, high owner-occupancy community featuring a pool and playground. Monthly fees include exterior maintenance, water, sewer, and trash. GPS may misroute using the street address. Please search Sabal Bay Condominiums Bradenton. Building numbers and streets are clearly labeled within the community. For more information, review the